Paul Denino, better known as Ice Poseidon, is an American internet personality and live streamer, primarily of the video game Old School RuneScape and the Earl genre. His peak prominence was in 2017, when his Earl streams became popular. He is best known for his Earl streams, which he describes as live streaming. Rolling Stone named Denino as a pioneer live streamer. Initially a streamer on Twitch, Denino was publicly banned from the platform for being swatted off an airplane at Phoenix Airport after a viewer called in a bomb threat under Denino's name. Following several years of streaming on YouTube, Denino moved to Mixer, only for the streaming platform to shut down in July 2020. Denino has returned to streaming on YouTube and continues streaming regularly as of June 2021. Denino was a partnered streamer on Twitch. He rose to prominence for his Old School RuneScape streams in 2015, playing under the pseudonym Ice Poseidon, which he created using a random name generator when he was 12 years old. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.